G'day guys, James here. I got Bong here again. He's the founder from Hobbywing. He's here out with us today, and he's got his product, which is a GPS helicopter that's actually also 3D. Which he's going to go through some light tumbles and rolls and flips and stuff. One-handed flips. He is a master, guys. Have a look at him.
And a walkie to flip. Everyone can fly 3D.
Anyone can fly 3D. Well, thank you so much, mate. That is awesome. Let's bring it back and show them how easy it is to land.
Okay, go back.
Yeah, come a bit closer. I can't see it. It's a bit small. Yeah, that's a bit small. Yeah. Come a bit back a bit. You may make it closer because I can't. Yeah, it's very, very small. There we go. Beautiful. I see it now. Let's land it and see. In the wind and all, no problems. That's terrific. One key to go home. He's going home. So what it does, it goes up first, guys. It finds the satellite, and then it just comes down on top of where it started. Right near the radio. There you go. Well, that is amazing. One key to home.